Boy, you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you.
Hey guys, and thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Tashina, and this is Simply Tashina, my virtual oasis. If you are new here, I chat pretty much about everything from lifestyle to beauty and everything in between. Today I have a skincare product that I recently tried their actual collection and I am obsessed with it. Neom Wellbeing London. It's a super shower power body cleanser. It has spearmint, rosemary, eucalyptus, and it's pretty much a body cleanser. This, oh my gosh, it smells like an oasis. It feels even better. It has kind of like a milky texture, and I feel like my body just feels so good after using it. One of my favorite features is definitely the size of the bottle. It's a great size. I also love that their products are accessible. Their products are also made with 100% natural fragrances, and just the combination of the scents, it really makes you feel like you are having a spa day at home, which I love. It's just such a nice, relaxing feeling, especially after a long day or if you're doing a self-care day at home. I also love that the product is not drying on my skin. It's the winter months and my skin has been loving this body cleanser. My overall experience is amazing. I cannot wait to try some of the products from their collection. I'm just so blown away with how this body cleanser provides me with the ultimate experience, like spa day experience at home without not even leaving my home, which is just a major plus. And plus, it's not drying. It's very easy to try products during this time of year that can be drying, especially when they have such a powerful scent. And I love that I do not have that with this body cleanser. But guys, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I can't wait to chat with you in the next one.